this installation, you'll need a trim tool. Starting on the front side of the lens by the button, slide the trim tool into the edge. Pry the edge down. Move the trim tool to the other side of the button and pry it out. Work your way around the sides and continue prying out the clips. Pull out the incandescent bulb, replace it with the LED, and test it. Turn it on for white, off and on again to change to blue, off and on again to change it back to white. We highlight here how the clips in the lens hold it to the assembly. Start by pushing in the front edge and push it up all around to lock in the clips. You can barely see the interior with the incandescent bulb lit. The LED bulb is much brighter and lights up the entire interior. And the blue is just as bright as the white.